This team has consistently set the standard for Philippine volleyball with their unparalleled excellence and teamwork. It's now time to meet the talented stars to make up this extraordinary team, starting with your local team players. So this means these players are from Canada, but they're joining Greenland Cool Smashers tonight. So we'll start off with Layla Millington. Give it up for the select players from Calgary and surrounding areas, ladies and gentlemen. And it's now time to meet the players who have experienced the highest level of volleyball competition in the Philippines and around the world. First, a promising young talent known for defensive skills and agility. She's a libero with great potential and determination. Standing 5'4" from Toronto, Canada, Aliyah Joy Torres! Lift, bringing height and precision to the team, is an emerging setter from my wife's alma mater, the University of the Philippines. Standing 5'8", please welcome Bea Boniface! Now, one of the league's most reliable liberos and a crowd favorite for her energy and quick reflexes. Standing 5'3" from the Ateneo de Manila University, please give it up for Maria Carmela Ella Jesus! Taking charge of the team's offense with her playmaking brilliance is a seasoned setter from my alma mater, Far Eastern University. Standing 5'8", let's hear it for Kyle Negrito, the PBL Best Setter of 2023. Next, a versatile and consistent performer on both ends of the court. She's an outside hitter who has won the PBL Best Outside Hitter Award. Standing 5'7" from Far Eastern University, give it up for Bernadette Pong! Up next is a dynamic scorer and leader whose explosive attacks light up every game. The PBL Finals MVP of 2022 and a multiple-time Best Outside Hitter. At 5'7" from Adamson University, please give it up for Gemma Galanta! Finally, the team's most celebrated player, the 3-time PBL MVP. Known for her powerful hits and clutch plays, standing 5'8", the opposite hitter from the University of the Philippines, is a true volleyball superstar. Please give it up for John Carlos! And of course, this amazing team is led by their brilliant technician, Coach Sherwin Meneses, and his trusted assistant, Coach Mark Carmon. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Coach Sherwin and Coach Mark. Okay.